guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a app. So we're gonna make a game currently, and it's gonna be super duper fun. Because this is your first app in Scratch, I'm gonna keep it quite simple for you guys. And this is also easy for kids to make, so they can also give it a try, right? So this game is actually inspired by the dinosaur game where a dino is there instead of this chick, and there's a cactus instead of this egg. So let's see how we play this, okay? See, if I touch the obstacle, then my game stops, okay? Then I get a score point also up there. Okay, again, let's see. Wait a minute. Oh, I need to jump up twice, I feel. Oh no. Guys, I feel I'm not a pro at this game. So instead of wasting our time in this, let's just get started, okay? So first of all, you open the app Scratch or the website. hmm Yeah. And now we don't need to log in again. Just create, okay? Okay, now what we'll do? We'll now rename our app as Jumping App. Jumping game? Yeah, that sounds fun, right? Now, first of all, we don't need the scat. So we click on this delete button and click it. Okay. Now we choose a sprite. I'm gonna go in animals and I'm gonna find and I've got this chick. Okay, I got the chicky chick. Now I'm gonna choose a backdrop. I choose this. Great, isn't this? Perfect. Okay. Now what I need to do, I feel like change the size of my chick. Okay, I'll change it to 75, but that's too small. Let's keep it to 150. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah. No, that's too big. Keep it to 110. Oh, that's a big. Okay, fine. Okay, I think this is perfect, right? And I'm gonna place it up here. Great. So now what we need to do? Now we're gonna code for the chick. So now, first and foremost thing, whenever you're making an app or anything like an animation or something, you always need to choose when the green flag is clicked. You have to keep this. If you don't keep it, then you know what will happen. Your codes may not perform, and your game would be unsuccessful, right? I mean, it would be a waste of time if you don't put this main block, because this one small block has has to do everything with this app, right? So now let's get started. Okay. Once we click the green flag, we have to choose go to X by, so let me tell you, X is the horizontal altitude and Y is the vertical altitude. Okay. So we go here and then we choose go to X. So we go to motion and then we choose this block. Go to X by minus 198 and minus 116, because it was entered out here. The positioning of our chick, by default it will come here. Okay guys, now we choose when the space bar is clicked. I want my chick to jump up high. Okay, so to do that, I need to go to event blocks and I need to choose this one. When my space key is pressed, start the sound. So now this is something new. You can also insert sound. Even we could do that in code.org. But this is something very different. So you can't choose it from here. You can even record your own sound, like singing blah blah blah, something like that. Okay. I'm not a good singer, so I wouldn't sing, but obvious. But I have kept this sound called chirp. Okay. But you guys won't get that. So I'll help you out. We go to sounds. I'm going to currently delete this. Then I go to choose a sound. Then I'm going to type the sound which I need. or you can even go to the animal category, and then you can choose one you want. I want this one. I'll choose this one. It sounds like a chick, right? Like this. Yeah. So I go to code again, and then it's already been choose for me the sound chop. Okay. Now the next thing, we have to choose a control block, and we're going to choose repeat 10 times. So whatever I insert in is going to repeat 10 times. So we're going to go to motion blocks again, and we're going to choose change y by 10. Okay. Okay. Now again we get the repeat 10 repeat block from control, and then we choose in motion, we choose change y by minus 10. So what do we have to do with 10 and minus 10? So if I don't insert this block and I use this randomly, okay, it would go up, up, up in the sky, right? And then it will get out of the screen. But I don't want that. So I join this block with this block, and now see. Yeah? Is it working perfect? It's jumping, right? That's all. Now we have to now we're done with the chick. Okay, so now we're gonna add an obstacle. Okay, so to add an obstacle, we go again to sprite, and then we choose. I'm gonna currently choose an egg. It's up to you, whatever you wanna choose. Then I'm gonna place my egg here. You might be thinking, why am I placing at such a big end? I mean, my chick is here and I'm placing it here, but I want some animation to it, right? So what am I gonna do? I keep the egg over there. Then I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna choose from event block first of all. When my green flag clicked, then we choose from control forever. So whatever I insert in will keep on moving, keep on repeating. Okay. So I choose. Oh, I kept my x value. This is my x value, and this is my y value. So I go to motion, and then I choose go to x by 199 minus 129. So like this is my x value, which is 199, and minus 129 is my y value. Okay. Now what I need to do, I'll now take again this egg over here at the end. Okay. Now I'm gonna now what will you do? You have to move it smoothly. So now I need to choose a glide block. So glide by 1 sec. Instead of 1 second, I'll keep it 3 seconds. Okay. 2 minus 213 and minus 128. It's already been given out here. Okay. Right. As simple as that. Now we'll again duplicate this. Okay. And one more thing. We also gonna choose when my green flag clicked. We are gonna choose uh, wait until it's in control block. Wait until go to sensing and choose when the chick touches the egg. Choose instead of mouse pointer. Choose it to chick, and choose. You have to stop everything. So you do stop all, right? See now what will happen. It stopped, right? That's we've completed by the half of our game. Now I need one more egg. So I'll go and duplicate it. I do a right click and I choose duplicate. Done. Now the codes will be the same because we chosen the duplicate option. That's why the codes will also be the same, and we don't even need to change the codes. Okay, guys. So now what we need to do, I want at the starting that this egg, this egg should actually one minute. So first of all, this egg, no, I need to copy its 119. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, it's been chosen out here. Okay, guys, so it's been chosen. But as you can see, these two eggs are together, they're overlapping. So I don't want them like that. So now what I need to do, I'll go to looks and I'll choose show hide option first. I'll keep a hide. I don't want to show anyone. I want to see. I want to tell the chick that chick, chicky chick, chick. There's only one egg, but after some time the second egg comes. Okay. So now to do that, go here in looks and I choose hide. Then I go to control and I choose wait 1 second and go to looks again, and then I choose show. Done. Now, I think guys will get this, what I meant to say. If you don't, then please let me know in the chat comment box what you didn't understand. Now, let's see. Is it working? See? Yeah? Now, I want the score. Now, to get the score, we need to go again to the chicky chick chick. So, we click on the sprite chick. Please keep in mind to every time change the value or change the sprite, or I mean, when you're coding for some respective sprite, please do change it, or else it will turn out to be a khichdi. Okay, so now what I need to do, I go to variables and then I choose make a new variable and I choose the name as score. Okay, and then I choose okay, and then I get it here. Now I'm going to choose change my variable to, oh, why did I keep it there? Sorry, guys, 1 minute. Yeah, change my variable. Instead of my variable, I'll choose it to score. Change the score. So changed out here. Change score to 0. Okay, yeah. I can even choose a large readout, but that will be just the score. Then I can choose normal readout, which is normal. And then there's a slider which you don't need to use. So I'll do normal readout. Okay. And now what we need to do. See, whenever I jump, my score changes. Okay. If I touch the egg, I mean that's the obstacle, then my game's gonna be stopped. Yeah. As simple as that. And that was our first project done. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if it was helpful for you guys, and please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you've not, and also turn on the bell icon to never miss the update of my coming videos. Bye.